Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I have a Christmas haul from Revive Essential Oils. I just got this last night is when I noticed it was at the door, and it was so hard for me not to open everything and start using it right away. Our house is decorated for Christmas. We decorate November 1st, so I am very excited to get the scents going, all of the Christmas aromas. Link to shop, as always, will be down below, and I have a 10% off coupon code. I got these Swedish dish cloths. A pack of 6, it looks like. I think they were pretty cheap. I'll try to put the price on here, but I use these instead of paper towel like not the time. Like, we still have paper towel, but since using these, we cut down so much on paper towel. It's so good. So this one is the candy cane one. This one has gingerbread and trees on it. It says sugar, spice, and everything nice. And there's 2 of each of them. And then some snowflake ones. So these are cute. Like I said, they are just so useful. They dry really fast. They're super thin. It's like the thinnest sponge you can imagine, basically, is what it is. Yeah, I just wipe down the counters, and they dry fast so they don't get smelly and whatever. If you haven't used those, you guys should try them. Some pumps from all of my soaps that I have that I'm very excited about. Sugar Cookies body oil. So I feel like I really want to be on a list of every time they have a new product, I just want them to text me. I don't know if that's a thing, but I wish, because I saw this on their website when I was going on to just get regular stuff. I'm like, how long has this been on the website? Sugar Cookies body oil. So this is 100% carrier oil plus oil blend with vanilla and hoe wood, oil, apricot, coconut, grapeseed, to the essential oils. Vanilla, hoe wood, balsam, copaiba, orange, cedarwood, cassia, lemon, and tonka bean oil. It smells super good. It doesn't smell exactly how, okay, I think I need to put it on and see how it's gonna smell on. Is this a spray? Okay, it's like a little pump. Okay, it smells good. It smells light. It's not as like sugar cookie like a face. I guess I was thinking of, so Plant Therapy has a lot of this type of products, and they put like natural fragrance. This doesn't have that, which is a good thing, but also that's why it isn't like sugar cookie in your face. It does smell very good though. It's sweet, vanilla, orangey, but also grounding with all of those other oils like rue balsam, cedarwood, cassia. I'm not really picking up, but it is very sweet and light, and I really do like it. It's just, I guess, not what I was expecting. Another pump, packing some soaps. They have a few different holiday scent soaps. This one is Peppermint Swirl. Oh, goodness. It's cute. This is plastic, and it looks like an amber glass, but it isn't. Oh, plastic. Expecting a thing. Okay. Soaps smell so good. This is sweet and pepperminty. It is not just like peppermint wake you up. It is like multifaceted. Is that the right word? What essential oils are in here? So peppermint, grapefruit, spearmint. Yes. The spearmint kind of calms it. It's not just like peppermint in your face. Oh, this smells very good. But is that it? Peppermint, grapefruit, and spearmint essential oils. Oh my goodness. I've never smelled that blend before. Oh, wow. Yep, this one's good. This is a good one. I'm spilling it everywhere. Okay, this is a little roll of oils. I got a lot of oils, and some of these are going in my giveaway pile. So if you're not subscribed to my blog, I give away at least one from now on through the end of the year, though. It's going to be 2, 3, or more essential oils, plus carrier oils and all of things. I have a big stockpile of things, so make sure you go subscribe to my blog. Christmas tree. So if you have a fake tree and you want your house to smell like a real tree, this is your go-to. Is Siberian fir, grapefruit, Douglas fir, white fir, frankincense, and vetiver. Candy cane lane is the next blend I got. This one obviously is going to smell like peppermint, spearmint, and cinnamon. So similar to the peppermint swirl soap, but it doesn't have grapefruit. Instead, it has cinnamon. I'm not going to open them just yet. I forgot I got for giveaway and which ones I have for, oh my goodness, Christmas Magic. So this one is orange, cedarwood, black spruce, elemi, vanilla, coriander, balsam fir, and Norway spruce. Christmas Morning. This, I believe, is the dupe for Christmas Spirit from Young Living. This is nutmeg, orange, clove, cinnamon, pimento, bay, fern, vanilla. Actually, no, it's not. I don't think that is. What's Holiday Heaven? Maybe this one is the dupe. Oh, yeah. Is orange, cinnamon, and black spruce. I think this one actually is the Christmas Spirit dupe. Those there, maybe I'll smell them in this Christmas Morning laundry soap. Okay, so I'll open. So Christmas Morning was the bigger blend, the nutmeg, orange, cinnamon, pimento, bay, fir, and vanilla, and they made a laundry detergent with that. So their normal laundry detergent is Immunity Boost, which is the Thieves dupe. This one, it's the holiday version of it. And I've been using their laundry soap exclusively. I know Molly Suds, I do use that too, but right now, and for the last, I would say month or two, I've only been using Revive, and we're really happy with them. I don't plan on changing anytime soon. I do wish they had like, a lavender or just a basic scent. So I do get tired of the Immunity Boost, but as far as like all of the other things about their laundry soap, I like. It smells really, really good. I think it's just more cinnamony than like a boost, but really Immunity Boost or Thieves smells like Christmas too, because it's the like all those like oils. But this one is it's 6 times concentrated, milliliters of Christmas Morning in every bottle, so it has 2 of these in each bottle. Yeah, we really like. They have laundry booster powder, and then they have fabric softener as well. It's like vinegar-based fabric softener that we use. And then they also have like washer cleaner tablets. Okay, thing I think. Okay, this is the last thing. I also got the Christmas Morning hand soaps. It's a better deal if you do the 2-pack, but you can just buy a single one of these too. So Christmas Morning, just the same, yeah, the same blend as the laundry soap. So good. It's more like tree oil and kind of spicy. So I think for now, I don't know what my plan was when I did this order, but I'm going to put Christmas Morning in my giveaway pile. So that will go, and we can actually today, because I forgot yesterday to send out the email. So today we'll start a new giveaway. So make sure you go subscribe right now so that you get on the list before I send it out. And Christmas Morning will be on there. And then I will get more of these, but I wanted to open these and share with you. So Christmas Tree, let's see, it's like a tree. It also smells good, like warm. It has grapefruit. What else? Frankincense, vetiver. Yeah, that's really good. So obviously, first thing that you're picking up is like you're in the woods, but also, it's like warm. This is really, really good. Actually, it's better. I think it'd be my favorite Christmas or like tree blend. I know Plant Therapy, Rocky Mountain, almost all the brands have like a tree or a variation of that, and that one's really, really good. This one's like sweet and warm, not all Christmas Tree. Candy Cane Lane. This one's peppermint, spearmint, cinnamon. Man, peppermint and spearmint together. Why am I loving that so much right now? It smells so good. It's warm and also spicy. Like this might be my favorite scent of all time, this Christmas or this peppermint swirl. Oh my goodness, but that Candy Cane Lane's really great too. Holiday Heaven, this one has the simple blend, the orange, cinnamon, black spruce. That's lovely. Sometimes a simple blend just hits, you know, like just pick out, it's orange, it's spruce, it's cinnamon. That smells so good. It's sweet, but also just spicy. And Christmas Magic, this one was different from Christmas Morning. And this one is a bigger blend. It has vanilla. When brands add vanilla to essential oil blends, it just elevates it to me. Oh, yep. That's a good name for it too. This smells amazing. Oh, I just want to make everything. All of my DIYs, this is what Christmas Magic. All of my like scrubs, body, like whipped butter for the season. Yes. Okay. That smells so good. Again, this is orange, cedarwood, spruce, LMI, vanilla, coriander, balsam fir. It's just enough like tree, but it's like so good, warm and sweet. Oh my gosh, this smells really, really, really nice. Okay, so this is my favorite like Christmassy Christmas Tree. Such a great tree oil. Candy Cane Lane, also really good. Holiday Heaven is good, but Christmas Magic is better. This is good if you want a simple blend. Oh my gosh, but that Magic one, so good. Christmas Morning, again, let me smell this one. This one's lighter, or tree oil. I wish, kind of, would have made this with Christmas magic instead. This smells so good. Okay, so I think that's it. That is all for my Christmas order. I will order duplicates of those other tree oils. I definitely need to give away a couple of magics. I'll put an order maybe today, but go subscribe to my email list so you can enter to win Christmas morning and some other oils too. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.